in the pink.
No way, hold up.
Why didn't you use a UV light or a laser beam to get the bacteria out of the ice cream scoop?
Because it's a lot more expensive, and that would require like totally redoing everything. So this one, all you have to do is like drill holes and put in jets and
The Dooper well that we have, it also has less electronics, so there's less that could get wet and mess up.
Like, when I go to Baskin Robbins to scoop out the ice cream, like, when they're scooping out different flavors, they dip it in water and then they scoop it again. Does that really, like, help?
When they dip it in water, that's what our project is. It's a Dooper well. It makes scooping the ice cream easier, but those things waste a lot of water and they also grow bacteria.
then also sometimes they don't put it in for the right amount of time. So you have to have it in for 10 seconds, and ours make sure that you have it in for 10 seconds. Yeah.
Also, the Dooper wells they have at Baskin Robbins are really long trenches. So at the top, the water would be clean, and by the time it's at the bottom, it's like really murky and has sprinkles and everything in it, and cake pit.
All right, so 2 more questions.
How did you first come up with this idea?
We went through a brainstorming process. So we sat down at snack time, and we were all like, all right, so what can we do? And it was food factors. So we had to find a problem with foods. So we came up with like French fries, egg cartons, soda cans, and ice cream. And we were like, hey, ice cream's really fun. Let's go with that. So then we looked more into ice cream, and we found out that there was a problem with Dooper wells. So then we looked more into Dooper wells, and we met Kendra, and she was like, yeah, this is a problem. Can you fix it for us? So then we fixed it and came up with that idea. And we had originally 2 ideas, and we were taking a vote. And then someone, while the vote was going on, was like, wait, I've got a better idea than both of these. So then we went back in and found out that it actually was a better idea, and we went with it.
Okay, that's the last question.
Has anyone else employed your method yet, or is it still a prototype?
Ours, we applied for a patent, a provisional, well, we have a provisional patent, so we're gonna get a full one pretty soon. And we talked to Ben and Jerry's, and we also talked to Kendra of the Penny Ice Creamery, and they said that they might want to use ours.
But it can't actually be used yet because it needs to be approved by a bunch of people. And right now we just use sprinklers for the jets. So we think we might need to refine that. And our motion sensor wasn't waterproof and it's kind of not that happy. So it's cool.
So if you have any more questions about our presentation or our year or robots or anything, go to our table, or as we said earlier on, post the questions on our Facebook page and we'll answer them.
Farewell.